How to use Lovable's code editor. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to lovable.dev and then from in there, scroll down until you reach a project that you wish to edit the code into. For example, I have in here this Pinky Allure. Let's head over and click on it. Once you click on it, you should be able to see in here the preview as well as the Lovable chat. So you can notice on the chat, for example, you can see in here that they already provide you in here this note as well as code, like for example, this TSX and also the CDA and the likes. So as you can see, you can edit those, like for example, index.html. Lovable has edited it, but you can also edit it on your own. To do this, click onto the actual file. Then this will open that code right here. Now you can find it right there and you can actually edit it according to your liking. But as of right now, we're currently on the read only because it's only available on the upgraded plan. So what you can do in order to edit it is click on this upgrade and then upgrade to an existing plan that allows editing of codes, typically on the pro or business plan. Just head over and subscribe to the plan that you wish to use, and you should be able to edit the actual code that Lovable provides you for your actual website. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.